Hey guys, welcome to this quick demonstration of FOMO Clips software. So as soon as you log in, you would be presented with this beautiful dashboard. To create your first FOMO clip, head over to the templates section. Here you would be presented all the templates which we have in our library. So for example, if you want to edit this template, just click on it, give your campaign a name. So for example, demo campaign, click create. And you can also edit the text. You can change the image just by double clicking it, or you can change the number of change the text, fresh stock, or add emojis. So I'll just add an emoji over here. You can fill this up with content. And if you want to make this ad friendly, suppose if you're planning to run ads using this template, we'll just make it switch on and this would automatically become ad friendly. You can also switch on and off the dark mode. So let us switch on the dark mode. In the next step, you would be able to choose and customize the character. So for example, this was a preloaded character. You can always choose a new character. So if you want this angel, or if you want these burgers, once you're satisfied with the video which you have created, just click next. Click on render. Now the status is showing as pending. Just come back to this page, refresh it after 5 minutes, and you would be able to get the download link. So here we have the download link. We can download the video.
It's really simple. I can click here on templates, for example, okay, before I show you some of the other things here in the dashboard, and then I can scroll through any of the templates here. I can obviously preview them, and if I like one, I can then edit them and customize them, right? I'm going to show you that in just a second here. But then here on the left-hand side, I also want to show you a couple of the other features. We have here a My Videos tab, right? And I'm going to give you a demo of the actual video editing process in just a second. But here you can see all of the videos that you created in the past. You can preview it, you can download it, and then you can sell it on Fiverr and freelance sites, or you can sell it to local businesses and help them with their video marketing, right? A very unique service that you can sell because this is a brand new video technology on JVZoo that has not been there before, right? If I click here on background remover, you can actually remove backgrounds. It's one of the upgrades that we have. We have an ad creator feature right here, which is really cool, where you can create full-blown ads from scratch with your images. That is one of the upgrades as well. Tutorials, we have bonuses here. You can add team members, and then here, this is super cool. We have a white label dashboard as well. That is one of the upgrades as well, where you can upload your own logo, your own favicon. You can have your own brand name right here. It's going to show your logo right here. You can even have your own domain, your own support, and you can resell the software under your name and brand, right? So if you're an online marketer, local marketer agency, one of the most requested features that we got asked to implement is a full white label solution. And now we have this available here with one of the upgrades, right? And then of course you can always reach out to our support. So this is the dashboard here on the upper right hand side. You can also change your login information, your username and a picture, but let's get to the good stuff, right? I click here in templates, and then I can scroll through here and I can edit any template, right? You can show these templates to your clients, and then they can pick one, and then you can select them and you can sell it, right? So for example, if I click on this one right here, Gangnam Style, this one definitely gets a lot of attention. I'm just going to say here, Mario demo video, and then I can click here on create. So you just have to give the campaign a name, right? And then here, if I want to change the background image, I can just click here on the background image and upload a background image from my computer. Super quick and easy. And then here we can customize the actual copy. We can do different things right here. And here on the right hand side is where you can do that. So you can choose here if you want to run one of these clips on Facebook or on Instagram, for example, right? So the look and feel of the actual ad is going to change. Then I can click here on orientation. I can have a different format here depending on how I want to format the actual ad right here. I can click here on ad friendly. If I turn this on, it's just going to create automatically for you by default an ad friendly example. I can switch here to dark mode, or I can go with the light mode, and I can also have some branding options here as well, right? So if I click here, for example, I can change the text. So I can go here and I say brand new 2 for 1 special, right? And then here I can move this text down, shop hour. Tools today, I can say here, right? And then if you want to change the size of this, you can also, of course, go way bigger. I can go here and change the color to red, for example. And then in the next step, we're going to choose the actual, animation, right? Right now it looks a little bit plain here, but remember, you can change any background image. You can take one from your prospect, from your client, and customize it right here, and you're good to go, right? I'm going to leave it the way it is right now here. And then I can click here on next. And then on the next button is where we are going to go ahead and actually pick the animation, right? So here we have this guy. This one is one of our most popular ones, Gangnam Style, right? Definitely is going to grab someone's attention, but I can actually scroll through here and have different animations for restaurants, generic animations. And then you can see here we have page 3, 4, 5, 6. And depending on which upgrade you go with, you can have different animations here fly right into the video, for example, right? And you can click through here. We have astronauts, we have things for restaurants. You know, you saw we had the Halloween theme. We're going to have a Christmas theme as well, and so forth and so forth. And then you just choose it right here. And then you can also choose the music, right? We have background music. You can just press here on play. It's going to play the background music. And you know, we have different lengths, 15 seconds right here, 8 seconds, 7 seconds. I can click here on play. It's going to play it for you. Here's another example. So I'm going to go with this one right here, and then I just click here on next. And here on the next step, it's going to ask me to render, and that's it, right? As you saw, I just select my template, I customize it to my liking, or you customize it for your client, and then you add the animation, you add the background music, and that's it. All I have to do is click here on render, and once it renders, you wait about 60 seconds or so, and you're going to have it under my video. So I'm going to go ahead right now and click on render. All right, and here's the video. You can see it says Mario demo video. You can see here the animation. You can see the duration is 13 seconds. And then here it says rendered. And if you want to preview it, you click here on the download button where you can preview it. And then if you like it, you can download it. And then you can obviously sell that video to your prospect. You can sell it on Fiverr. You can sell it on a freelance site. It's totally up to you. The income potential is incredible, right? So if I click here on download, for example, it's going to load the video right now in a preview that I can play. You can see the preview right here. It's loading here for 13 seconds. And you can see it right here. The animation is in full flow. The background music is playing. I'm not sure if you can hear the background music, depending if I recorded it right here. But let me play it again. And you can see here, this is an attention-grabbing video ad that you can now run with Instagram video ads, with Facebook video ads, YouTube video ads, and it's going to stop people from scrolling, and it's going to help your audience, your clients, to have their message actually stand out. And you can do this in 3 simple steps right here with FOMO Clips, right? You saw how easy it is. You just click here on templates, you select your actual animation, you add the background music, you customize the ad, you can have a hashtag there, you can have favicons in there, you can have a black background, as you can see right here, you can have a white background, you can change the animation, you can change the color, and you can do a Halloween special, a Christmas special, if you can do a 4th of July special, you can do a New Year special. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. And now you have these unique video clips that you can actually help your audience with, right? And then remember here on the left-hand side, we have white label as one of the upgrades. We have team members that you can add. So team members can actually do the editing for you. We have bonuses for you, tutorials, the ad creator upgrade. We have the background remover. We have all the templates. We're adding more templates as well. And that was a quick demo of the FOMO Clips software. And